I've been coming to Taos for the last 2 years. It's one of those places like you see it and it comes in the mountains, get you. And so, but it's been really amazing to actually put a piece that's kind of semi-permanent on the streets. I did the murals, the crosswalk murals, 4 of them around the plaza. I do weavings, I do murals, I just do drawings, and it's all about how to form a pattern and then break a pattern. What I did in Paseo is, first we broke a pattern by just making these murals on crosswalks, which is not very common. I did these patterns that were very destructured, very loose rules. Patterns almost always follow a rule. And I liked making patterns that do not follow a rule, that are decentered and random. It was a great experience. I think this town is just amazing and really open to any kind of extraordinary art. And I think there's room for a lot of different types of art in here, which I love. Everyone's been so helpful, like from police departments to fire departments to just very interested, very involving, and I just really appreciate it. It was such a pleasure to be a part of the very first Paseo. I mean, this town, I think, needed a gathering like Paseo to put all these people together and get the excitement going. And I think Paseo definitely achieved that in an amazing way. I mean, the energy last night, the opening was last night, was amazing. And I really hope there's more to come, and it's, you know, and it evolves and it evolves. There also is a very fantastic interest in New Mexico and Taos away. I live in Brooklyn, New York, and when I told my, you know, colleagues and friends and like saying I'm going to a little installation in Taos, everyone was very excited and interested. They wanted to know more and what it was entitled and who were the artists. So I like being a part of this new thing that just is grabbing attention, for sure. I love Taos and being here. It was such a privilege to be a part of Paseo.